Important tips when installing the Optimyst linear. Tip number 1. Locating the on and off switch. The on and off switch is located in the upper right side of the box. It's important to turn the switch on before placing the glass, as the switch is inside. Tip number 2. Finding the QR code. While there is a QR code located on the back of the owner's manual, there is also a QR code located on the fireplace. This can be found underneath the media tray in the lower right corner. You must lift up the media tray and pull out the tab that has the QR code. Tip number 3. Placing the media tray. The tray must be fully in place, all the way to the back of the unit. This ensures that the crystals do not fall down behind the tray. If the tray is not placed properly, the front glass will not fit. Tip number 4. Understanding error codes. The Optimyst will display a unique code when there is an error. For example, CD51 means the water level is low in one of the water reservoirs. For a list of all possible error codes and their solutions, you can check out the owner's manual, which is accessible on the Dimplex website. We hope you benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching!